All right, everyone, check it out. Look how empty my shop is. I've dragged all the cars out. A couple here, a couple back there. A rare sight to see my shop empty. Anyways, we got a new garage door coming in today. Mesa Garage Door is gonna come out here and install a nice, fresh garage door. So if this is something you're interested in, let's get started. All right, so here's my garage door. Let's see, we've always had a gap right here because the train's down in there. Hopefully they'll correct that. That's what it's like lifting up my garage door. Okay, here's my garage door. As you can see, it's hammered. Sags. As you can see, it's hard to open. It's all busted up. I had to take all my stickers off of it because they're gonna haul it away. So, Mesa Garage Door is coming out today and they are gonna give me their sweet deal with the quiet glide system, all new panels, double insulated, and windows on the top. So this is pretty much what it looked like. And you saw what it took me to open it up. All right, might as well give you a view of the inside of the shop without any vehicles in it and with the old garage door. The new garage door is gonna have metal backing, which is kind of cool. No need to put any stickers on it. I could use magnets, and as you can see, I've got those everywhere. Okay, we'll be back when we get my new door in. All right, here we go. The guys at Mesa got here on time. They look good. They're in there now taking things apart. Any second now, I'm thinking that this panel is gonna come off or come down or something. Like I said, there it goes. There goes all the panels, one at a time. Nice. All right, well, I missed them putting up the last panel, so you're gonna have to just trust me on that. Okay, the garage door is done. Let's see if I can lift it from the center handle with one hand. Nope, it's locked. Okay, now that it's unlocked, let's see if I can lift it up with one hand. Wow, that's unbelievable. Now to shut it. Awesome. All right, pretty stoked. There we go.